Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Instagram and confirming you're on the right account. This avoids posting to the wrong profile. Next, tap the plus icon and choose Post or Reels because length and aspect ratio differ. Reels favors 9:16 vertical. Select your video from the camera roll or record in-app. Make sure orientation and duration match your goal. Once done, trim if needed and preview because trimming affects pacing and audience retention. Now, move to Edits and Metadata. You now refine the video, apply filters, adjust brightness and sound level so viewers immediately engage, choose a cover frame to control thumbnail impact. Then write a concise caption that explains the why and includes relevant hashtags and mentions to boost discoverability. Make sure to add location if it matters. Once done, pick sharing options, post to feed, Reels tab, cross-post to Facebook, or save as a draft. These choices determine reach and where followers will see your content. You finish by tapping share and watching the upload progress until confirmation appears. Interruptions can create incomplete posts. If the upload fails, first check your Wi-Fi or mobile data and switch networks if necessary, because bandwidth is the most common issue. Next, verify file format, size limits, and app permissions for storage and camera. If problems persist, retry from drafts, clear the app cache, or update Instagram. These steps resolve corrupted uploads and compatibility glitches, letting you
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.